In this video, we will show you how to make a temperature sensor alarm. So in order to set up the Arduino project, we would need the following components: 5 jumper cables, 1 buzzer, and 1 temperature sensor. So place the temperature sensor and the buzzer on the breadboard. Next would be attaching the current wires on the buzzer and on the temperature sensor. So on the correct wiring of the temperature sensor, upon facing it, the leftmost would be the red wire that's connected to the 5-volt pin. The middle one will be connected to the analog pin, and then the rightmost pin will be connected to the ground. Then after inserting the components, now then at the end bit of those wires would be connected to the Arduino. And then after that, okay, then let's go straight to coding. So what we want to do is, for our temperature sensor that is currently reached to a number that we want to give, and then it would emit the buzzing sound. In order to do that, we would add 3 variables for now. So first we would be the sin value for our tones, and then the tone value in order for us to change it, and then the temperature timer. I will talk more later onto this. Let's proceed to our void setup. First we would output our buzzer. The next we would access our serial monitor over here by 9600. Let's proceed to our loop. So what we want is to get the temperature we want is 27. So in order to do that, we would pair 2 variables, the raw value and then the data. This data is considered as our current temperature. So our value will be attached to the analog pin, and then for our data or current temperature, we would convert this raw data into Celsius, or to the current temperature. And after declaring that and finish the formula, we would begin our if statement coding. So if our current data is above or over 27 degrees, then if you currently recognize this code, we actually got this from our AP6 video. So for those who do not know, so we would repeat this current code 180 times. This would emit the current sound, or the current sound waves that it would produce. Then after that, this would change the tone for 180 times given by the sin, and then it would output the current sound by 2 milliseconds. And of course, if our current data reaches below 27 degrees, oh, what happened? Then it would buzz nothing. So in order for us to access our serial monitor and read the current data being shown, so what we're gonna do is use an if statement, and then we would access the milliseconds syntax. And so basically this would output the current temperature value by just 500 milliseconds. So this would output current raw data and to make sure that we're actually reading the temperature and we'll also know that it's the temperature, we would go and serial print the current temperature. Oh, don't mind that. And then print also the current data at the middle. Then lastly we would put C. So this would keep on let's say uploaded the current data being shown over this loop over to our serial monitor. After that's done, you will get the expected results.